Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something exciting to show you. It's the new Ninja air fryer. It's the Flexdrawer 10.4 litre air fryer. We're going to do an unboxing today, see what's inside the box, and let's give you some sort of specs and things like that. So let's get to it. Let's open this box up and see what's inside. Please, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It really does make a difference, and make sure to hit the notification bell so that you are alerted every time a new video goes up. Let's put that out. And there's lots of information on the box. We'll go through all that in a moment. We've got some sort of envelope there. I'll get that open, see what's inside. So it's the instruction quick start guide and the instruction manual. So quick start guide, booklet there with some cooking charts and things like that, some recipes. So we'll look at that in a bit. Put that to the side. Lots of cardboard packaging, which is great. Good for the environment. So big bit of cardboard there. Then we've got another bit of cardboard and another. And then the actual air fryer is encased in a sort of paper bag, which is even better for the environment as well. So let's try and get this out of the box. It's quite a big machine, quite heavy. And there we go. Let's get rid of that box for the moment. And here it is. This is it. So let's rip this open. It's only paper. And here we go. This is the Flexdrawer air fryer. It has some other functions as well, not just an air fryer. Get this out from underneath. There's the plug. And we do have some sort of plastic to protect it. So off that comes, that's going to go in the box. I think we've got some more around the bottom. So what's here? Yeah, so it's very sticky sort of tape. I think I might cut that. Here we go. And I think that is about it for the packaging. So quite minimal packaging, just lots and lots of cardboard. It's just that plastic tape that was on the front. It's probably just holding the drawer in. So let's have a look around the machine. So it's one drawer, not two drawers, but it is separated by a separator. So let's see. There we go. Oh, there's some more packaging inside. I think that's just cardboard. That's just cardboard. And here we have the actual drawer itself. As you can see, it's separated, but you can just take out that separator and have one massive drawer. So inside here we have the crisper plates that sit inside, all dishwasher safe, so it's good news. But yeah, you can fit quite a lot in there. And this is the separator, so that just goes straight down the middle, of the two crisper plates. So then you have your two independent areas. One of the things I was concerned about is whether you were cooking something fatty like a meat, although I don't eat meat, but wondered whether the juices would flow from one zone to the other zone. But you can see there is a sort of ridge to stop any of the juices from one zone going into the other. That's really good news. So You could be cooking some vegetables in one of them, some meat in the other, and there'll be no risk of any of the fats going into the vegetables. That's really good news. So let's put all that back together, put the drawer back in the machine, and we'll have a look at some of the functions. So this is just an unboxing today. I will be doing a full review on this Flexdrawer air fryer, 10.4 litre air fryer. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you get alerted when that video goes up. But yeah, we're just going to go around the machine and give you some stats and some information about it. So I'm going to need my glasses for this bit so I can read it. So we've got the on-off switch here. We've got the start-stop button there. You've got sync and you've got match. And then you've got this dial here. These two arrows and these two arrows are for temperature and time, which you can adjust for zone 1, zone 2, or for the mega zone, which is both zones. The sync function, if you had 10 minutes cooking time in zone 1 and 5 minutes cooking time in zone 2, you'd hit the sync button and the zone 2 wouldn't start until the zone 1 reached the 5 minutes, so they would both end at the same time. If you're using the whole mega zone, then you wouldn't be able to use these two functions because it would be just one zone that's being cooked. The match function is if you have the separator in, both zones would have the same cooking time and temperature. I can't really see the point in that myself because you might as well just hit the mega zone but leave the separator in. Maybe I'm missing something there. If I am, please leave a comment down below. It's a 10.4 litre air fryer, 2 zones at 5.2 litres each. There's other functions here as well. We've got max crisp, air fry, roast, bake. We've got reheat, dehydrate and prove. So if we now turn this around and you can have a look at the back of the machine. Here we are. So we've got some vents or intakes there and some more vents there. So air will need to flow around this area. So if you're putting it up against a kitchen wall on the kitchen surface, you really need to leave a bit of space behind it so that air can flow. Apart from that, there's nothing else to see. Let's turn this back around to the front. Really nice looking air fryer, mainly black, just this silver trim here. But yeah, looks really good. The only downside I think is on a sort of drawer air fryer, you can take the drawer out. If it's a dual one, you've got 2 drawers and you can shake it about, whereas this is quite a big drawer. So if you're taking this out, you're obviously going to be interrupting the other zone that's cooking. And if you're shaking it about, you'll be shaking both zones. So you may have to use some tongs or something, or spatulas to mix up the food while it's cooking. But apart from that, it's all dishwasher safe. The whole basket here is dishwasher safe, so that's really good news. And I can't wait to use it. So thanks for joining this quick unboxing, and hopefully you'll join me for when I put it through its paces and give it a full review. Thanks for watching guys, bye for now.